Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Zoya, Brighton, and Steph. Oh, these are so pretty. And this one here is Steph. It's a beautiful, almost washed out baby pink. And then we have Zoya, Brighton, which is a holographic beautifulness. Oh, these are so pretty. So I'm going to go in with my first coat. I don't know what base coat I used today. I think it must have been Nailtiques Formula 2. I didn't catch that on film, so I'm not sure. So here we go. We're going to go in. Beautiful formula on this one. I'm going to cap my little free edge here. And so I'm just going to use, you know, the baby pink and this like tan together. And I thought that these went really well together. They were suggested. I can't remember who wanted to see this, but if I can remember, I'll put their name on the screen because I love it when you guys suggest stuff. Make sure you know I'm hearing you. Hi Woody, how you doing? And get up in there and get that cleaned up. So we're going to go in with our second coat. I've got the camera up a little closer so you can see. These are going on like a dream. Very nice, very easy, and we like nice and easy, don't we? Oh, gotta get Woody out here. Here we go. Hi Woody, how you doing? And there we go with our next one. And Brighton seems to be a favorite amongst my nail polish friends. It seems like everybody that's tried this one loves it. So I'm really glad to have added it to my collection. Got a little bit too much polish going on that brush. Get Woody to help me one more time. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get it to dry down. I'm going to do a little bit of stamping today, but it's going to be like super subtle. Not like my typical bam in your face manicure. Sometimes I like these palette cleansers, you know, they, you know, just kind of, we'll get something new and fresh on my nails, but, you know, not something I'm going to get bored with too quickly. Just something nice and easy. There we go. Top coating these up. That little bit of free edge there. And here's a swatch photo of them on their own. Today I'll be using the MoYou London Suki collection. No, this is the Lace collection plate. And I'll be using this Maybelline Bold Gold from the Color Show line. Miss it. I got my Conad stamper and my clear jelly scraper out. And this is the Lace Collection 04. And this image was calling to me. So I'm going to do it from like up by the cuticle down under the nail. Now I think this one would have worked out better if my nails had been longer, but you know, we're going to just roll with it. Speaking of rollers, I've cleaned that stamper off on a lint roller, and I'm going to get this excess off my skin with a piece of tape. Not too sure how I feel about it, but you know, it's all good. It's all good. We're going to clean that plate off with some pure acetone and hop right in here and do the same on my pinky nail. I just figured these would be, you know, fun to wear and easy to, you know, easy on the eyes. So there we go. I'm going to do a little bit of cleanup here with my cleanup brush real quick. Get both sides and around that top edge. There we go. I am going to top this with the Smudge-Free Top Coat from Maniology. I was pretty happy with this one. It works. And then I'm going to top everything off with Poshe Top Coat today. Nice glossy top coat. I do have a swatch photo coming up here very soon, but I would love to hear what you think about this manicure. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.